Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some more cute Halloween designs that are suitable for everyone to be able to do with gel polish. Enjoy! First we're going to use Jaffa Cake, which is a nice orange for our pumpkin. So I'm using tips today and I've buffed the tip of the gel polish to adhere to. Pop it on the lamp for 30 seconds. Next we're going to go in with Aries, which is a nice deep dark grey. Again on a buffed tip if you're using tips. If you're doing these on natural nails, you'd have a base coat down. In the lamp for 30 seconds. And for our Frankenstein we're going to use Frosted Fern, which is one of the glitter collection, mainly because Frank's my favourite. Again 30 seconds in the lamp. Give them a second coat. And on a form I've already put some Snow White and some Serious Black, and I'm going to use 000 brush. I'm going to do our pumpkin first, so I'll load the black up onto my brush. Just like to the top of the pumpkin. And then pop that in the lamp to cure. With our grey, we're going to do a mummy. We need to block off some areas for his eyes. And then go in with some bandages. Do some random lines to look like bandage. Put that in the lamp to cure, and then with our green for Frankenstein, load it back up with Serious Black. For his hair. And when you're happy with him, pop him back in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. We pumpkin back out and we want to draw a little face. Pop that in the lamp. So with our mummy, going with Snow White. To give him some eyes. Pop that back in the lamp. And when Frank's out, we need to give him some eye detail. And maybe some teeth. Pop that in the lamp. Finish your pumpkin off. And pop him back in the lamp. Last bit to do on your mummy, give him some eye detail. And pop him in the lamp. Now to top coat, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat for the pumpkin. Pop him back in the lamp. For our mummy, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Coat, which is a really, really good matte coat, because I feel he would be matte. and then pop him in the lamp. And then for our Frank, I'm going to go back in with the Urban Graffiti top coat again, all for 60 seconds. And there you have it, some cute Halloween designs that are simple for everyone to be able to do with gel polish. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you, bye!